A Big Blizzard is Coming by Anastasia. Once there was a dog and an owner. They were playing outside. Then the owner got a message that there was going to be a blizzard on its way. So the owner put the leash on the dog and run home. When they got home, she got scared that a blizzard was coming. So they went in the kitchen to get food for her and the dog. They got water, dog food, a bowl for the dog to eat and drink. And she got another message saying the blizzard is coming in 5 minutes. She ran so fast in the basement to stay safe. 5 minutes later, they heard the storm. The dog started to bark. Then the storm stopped for 2 minutes. Then it started again. The dog fell asleep and the owner had a snack. This is so cold. Oh no. Forgot blankets. I only went in the kitchen for food. Suddenly the blizzard stopped. Yay. Now the sun is out. The snow is melting. Yay. It's Let's go play. The dog barked before we go outside. First we have to get the food, so they cleaned the food up. The dog carried a water bottle and went up the stairs. They put the food back in the fridge and went outside and played. Yay, it stopped snowing. There was a little snow on the porch, so she had an idea. How about we go inside, get our gloves on, and play with the snow? So they went inside to get their gloves on. When they got their gloves on, she put gloves on the dog, they played in the snow, then they made a snowman. Then they went inside and took a nap after playing. Then when they woke up, the owner made mac and cheese. Then she made dog food and they had their lunch. Then they watched a movie, and when it finished, they took a walk for 30 minutes. Now that it is 5:30, she walked back home and then got water because it was a long walk. Then she called her friends because she got bored, and after chatting with her friends, they had dinner. Now that it's late, she went upstairs to sleep. The dog slept in the living room when they went to bed.